Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to play Where Did You Sleep Last Night by Nirvana. This is one of my favorite Nirvana songs. It's really easy. It's really only 4 chords, and they're not even full chords. I promise, it's really easy. So yeah, let's get right into it. So quickly, the original song is tuned down half a step. I'm not going to do that, but just in case you wanted to match it up with the recording, I thought I'd let you know. Now, the first shape that we're going to make is going to be an E power chord. So you really just need to hold down on that 2nd fret, 2nd string from the top, and then we're just strumming the top 2 strings. And then we're just going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Next, we are going to move to an A major, which is just covering the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string from the bottom. If you can do that with one finger, that's pretty ideal. But if you can just get even the 2 middle strings, that also works. And we're actually going to do a little walk down to get to there from the E power chord. I'll go over it, but it's going to look like this. So it's all just kind of happening on that top string. We're going to quickly pluck the top string open, and then we're going to hit down on the 2nd fret there, and then the 3rd, and then we're just going to strum that A major. And it's kind of more like just an A power chord. Like, we're kind of just focusing the 2nd, 3rd, maybe 4th string from the top when we strum it. So slowly, again, it should look like this. So then after that initial strum, we're going to go up, down, up. And then we're going to hit a down strum, but it's going to be on the next chord, which is kind of a G chord, but you really only need to hold down on that 3rd fret top string. And then if you can, try to mute the string right below. It should probably just happen naturally. Your finger's going to mute it, but you don't really want that 2nd string from the top to ring out, but you can hit the rest of them. Then, like I said, we're hitting that down strum to start right after we move from that A chord. And then again, we're going to go up, down, up, and then move to the next chord. So moving from that A to the G should look something like this. And then we move to the next chord, which, if you can play the whole thing, it is technically a bar chord. But if you don't want to play a bar chord, I can make it a little bit easier for you. Ideally, you would hold down on the 2nd string from the top, 2nd fret, and then the next 3 strings you would push down using your pinky or ring finger on the 4th fret. But if you don't want to make a bar chord, you can also get away with just holding down on the next string on the 4th fret. And then here we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, 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 and then we go back to the E power chord. And right before I switch to the E power chord, I'll sometimes do a muted up strum. The bar chord to the E power chord should look something like this. And then when we come back to this E power chord, something I like to add in that they have in the recording is you go down a few times and you're just gonna I'm throwing my middle finger onto that 3rd fret for one of the down strums, and it sounds like this. And then the song starts over. Now that whole thing from start to finish, really slowly, should look and sound like this. That's the whole song, guys. It's that easy. Hopefully at this point you're able to play the song. If not, please feel free to leave any comments or questions down in the comments, and I will genuinely do my best to try and answer them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.